Hello class, so today we are going to start our workbook. Workbook chapter 1 Keeping Healthy. Now class open page number 1. In page number 1, you have to label the heart and blood vessel in the diagram. Now class open page number 2. In page 2, you have to tell what is the function of human circulatory system. Question 3. In the table below, write down the functions of the heart, veins and arteries. Question 4. What is the name of the tiny blood vessels that join the arteries to the veins? Now open page 3. Question 5. Blood transport material from one part to the body to another. State the components of blood that carry the following. Oxygen. Which blood carries the oxygen? Digested food. Which blood carries the digested food? Carbon dioxide. Which blood carries the carbon dioxide? Now open page number 6. The human heart and blood circulation. Label the human heart diagram. Now class open page number 7. As you see in the page number 7, color the part of the heart filled with blood rich in oxygen to red color in the heart diagram. Color the part of the heart filled with blood poor in oxygen, do blue color in the heart diagram. Draw the arrows to show the flow of blood through the heart. Draw the arrows in the heart diagram. Label the following part on the diagram. Open page number 8. Identify the following parts of the heart. Which part of the heart the blood vessels that carry oxygen poor blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs? Which part of the heart the blood vessels that carries oxygen rich blood from the lungs to the left side of the heart? Which part of the heart the main blood vessels that carries oxygen rich blood from the left side of the heart to the different part of the body except the lungs? Which part of the heart the main blood vessels that carry oxygen poor blood from different part of the body to the right side of the heart? Now open page number 12. Use the table below to classify the following disease or into two groups. Now open page number 12. Use the table below to classify the following disease into two groups. Contagious diseases and non-contagious diseases. Contagious diseases are those diseases which can be spread by contact with persons who have disease. Non-contagious diseases are those diseases which cannot be spread from one person to another by contact. Now look at the box. Measles, flu, chickenpox, cold, and tuberculosis are the contagious diseases. Obesity, malnutrition, asthma, diabetes, hypertension, and mental disorder are non-contagious diseases. Now open page number 13. Which group of diseases, contagious or non-contagious disease, is caused by virus, harmful bacteria, fungi, or other parasites? Measles, flu, chickenpox, cold, tuberculosis are the cause of viruses, harmful bacteria, fungi, or other parasites. Which group of diseases may be inherited or caused by unhealthy lifestyle or the environment? Obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension, and mental disorder are the cause of unhealthy lifestyle. Write down three ways in which contagious disease may be spread. Coughing, taking contaminated food or water, sharing of personal items like towels. Write down three ways in which you can prevent or reduce the chance of getting disease. Having a balanced diet, exercise regularly, keeping healthy will help to fight diseases. Medicinal drugs in page 14. Medicinal drugs have many uses. Some medicinal drugs control the symptoms of diseases while others cure diseases. There are also medicinal drugs that prevent diseases. Classify the types of medicinal drugs listed below according to their uses. Use the table provided. Control symptoms of diseases. Painkiller, cough syrup, bronchodilators, cure diseases, antibiotic, antiviral drugs, prevent diseases, polio vaccine, flu vaccine. In page 15, match the disease to the medicinal drugs that can be used to treat them. Page 16. What is penicillin? Penicillin is an antibiotic that is commonly used to treat bacterial infection. How does penicillin treat bacterial infections? Penicillin treats bacterial infection by preventing or killing the growth of bacteria. Patients are usually told to finish the antibiotic given to them. Explain why. Patients are usually told to finish the antibiotic given to them because not doing so can cause the bacteria that cause the disease to become resistant to the antibiotic. The antibiotic will then be ineffective against these bacteria. Taking antibiotic without a proper prescription can also lead to the antibiotics being ineffective. Now page number 17. Not finishing the prescribed course of antibiotic is a form of drug abuse. Write down one other way in which antibiotic may be abused. Taking antibiotic again and again without the doctor prescription is also abuse because it can cause resistance. Now page 18. The effects of tobacco. The photographs below show a smoker lungs and a non-smoker lungs. Why do the smoker lungs look darker than the non-smoker's lung? Because tobacco smoke also contains tar. Tar is a black and sticky substance that can damage the lungs and cause lung cancer. That's why smokers' lungs look darker. Now page 19. What physical problems will the smoker experience if his lungs are damaged? Heavy smokers may cough often and have difficulty breathing. People can get addicted to smoking tobacco. Name the drug in tobacco smoker that cause addiction. Nicotine. Other than addiction, what other negative effects does the drug have on the smoker's health? Smoking tobacco damages the lungs and airways. Heavy smokers may cough often and have difficulty breathing. Open page 20. Correcting common misconception about keeping healthy. The following are some misconceptions about keeping healthy. Correct these misconceptions in the space provided in the table. Misconception. All veins carry oxygen poor blood, all arteries carry oxygen rich blood. Correction. No. Pulmonary artery carries oxygen poor blood and pulmonary veins carries oxygen rich blood. Misconception. All components of the blood transport material. Correction. No. White blood cells and platelets do not transport materials. Misconception. Aspirins cure the disease that cause fever. Correction. It is the painkiller. They help to control the symptoms or sign of disease. Open page 21. Misconception. Antibiotic can be taken to cure a cold. Correction. No. Antibiotics are used to treat the disease caused by bacteria. Misconception. Illegal drugs are harmful and medicines are useful. Correction. They both are harmful if medicines are taken in excess and illegal drugs both are drug abuse. Misconception. You can stop taking the antibiotic prescribed to you once you no longer have the symptoms of the disease. Correction. No. The course of antibiotics should be finished as prescribed by the doctor. Hello class, so today we are going to start our book and multiple choice question. Multiple choice question you have to do in your copy.